Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shreya. So it's been long that I have posted any long format video. So today's video is going to be very interesting. Today I'm going to share with you my experience with Tanishq store and what all I purchased, especially for girls who have multiple piercings. For example, I have triple piercings. So it's very difficult to get 22 karat gold earrings for the multi-pierced ears like the helix and the upper lobe. It's easier to find for the normal one. So, well, this video is actually going to help you in that, because in India you can get 22 karat gold jewelry for your stacked ear piercings. So if you have multi piercings, you can actually opt for it. And currently in 2026, the gold prices are extremely high, and also the making charges, etc., are also there. So I'll show you what all I purchased. I will share with you how much I paid, the discounts I got, and everything in proper details. So this video is going to be very informative. If you are a guy, share with your mother, sister, any female friends, and if you are a girl, it is a must watch video for you. So stay tuned. Can I get a slow clap? Like ta 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 ta. And here comes my Tanishq purchase. Yeah, so this is my first time Tanishq purchase, like purchasing gold or any jewelry from the Tata brand, that is Tanishq. And I'll share my honest opinion reviews about this reputed brand Tanishq, as well as I will solve your issues if you have multiple ear piercings. And for those of you who don't have multiple ear piercings, come on, go get pierced, girls and guys as well. Don't shy out on fashion. Fashion is painful, and definitely once it heals now, it looks extremely beautiful. So please don't shy out on fashion. Go get pierced. And I know that parents will scold and all these things like that, but ear piercings don't cause any issues to your health. I'm not a doctor on anything, but if you get pierced from tattoo artists or from hospitals, then it would not even irritate. You have to take good care. So you can drop comments if you want to know my healing journey. I got all this pierced at a first go, and then it healed in a very proper way in a very short duration. So if you want to know my healing journey, what all tricks and tips I use to get all these things healed. Also, I have nose piercings, if you can see. So for many people, I have observed that the nose piercings also takes a very long time to get healed. I'm not talking about septum, which is in the middle, but this place, like the side where you get pierced in the nose, so it takes a lot of time for people to get healed because it easily gets infected. Same goes for the helix one. If you want a video, do leave comments. I'll be more than happy to help. So now let's talk about this. So guys, you already know that gold prices are high and it would skyrocket in the future. So buying gold is a good investment, but buying jewelry is not an investment. So if you are buying gold for investment purpose, buy coin, bar, and all those things. 22 karat gold, 18 karat, 14 karat, 9 karat gold are not for investment purpose. But I see it as an investment because, see, I have 3 ear piercings. So if I buy my earrings, suppose say in 2026, and suppose in 2030 the same earrings cost more, like double triple, then it I would have to pay extra. But the income is not increasing in such rate, we are not able to beat the inflation. So for me it is not an investment, but I see as an investment. But I would not say that buying ornamental gold is an investment. So now what all I bought one two no total 3 earrings, but I feel like it's worth it. I had to gift myself something on my birthday. It's not always like your parents or your partner is only supposed to give. They are supposed to give, but you should also gift yourself small small things on your birthday. Make yourself feel special. That's what I always say in all my videos. So let's see what I bought. So here comes the first earring that I bought for the main lobe, and I know it's very pretty, very cute, it's very nice. Let me wear and show it to you. So guys, I will show you the locking system of it. So you can see that it is like a safety pin. So why I purchased this kind of easy to wear earrings, because I keep changing my stacks. I keep changing my earring stacks, and for that I need a very less complicated or very simple way to wear the earring. So if it have some complicated way to wear the earring, then I would have trouble in getting it out and getting it on. You're getting my point, I guess. But so it's like very easy. I just need to do this, and yeah, it's done, and it's looking very pretty. Leave in the comment section if you are liking my earrings as well and you are planning to purchase. So this is how it looks. Please note, this is not original pearl. It is fake pearl, so I didn't have to pay extra for getting real one. But the gold is 22 karat gold. Now comes the next set of earrings which I would be able to wear here in the upper lobe, right? So this is the one I bought. You can take screenshot and show it to Tanishk if you are also planning to buy it. So this is the one. I know it's pretty, and even it is very simple to wear. It is the same kind of earring like this, so it is also very easy to wear. Guys, this is how it looks on my ear. Like, it actually goes with this pearl earring as well, and my helix as well. Please do let me know how you're liking it. Now comes the third earring, which is this one. Yeah, you can see how this goes with all the remaining earring sets. All these are like, these seems like it has been planned and stacked, or it is like a set of three earrings, but they are not. I bought it separately, so you can show this to Tanishk and get yours as well. Don't forget to let me know how I'm looking in this video, and also let me know the earrings that I bought, if it's your style, if you liked it or not. Guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. I have enjoyed creating this video for you guys. Bye bye.